The new year is coming, and everyone is making big fitness promises.
But most people repeat the same mistakes every year. Extreme dieting looks smart, but it actually slows fat loss. Healthy fats support hormones that help burn fat. You cannot burn fat from one specific area. Building muscle increases calorie burn all day long. Liquid calories add fat without reducing hunger. Water helps control calories effortlessly.
Hidden sauces and toppings can secretly ruin your diet.
Simple tracking keeps your calories consistent without stress. Liquid calories add fat without reducing hunger. Swap drinks for water to control calories effortlessly. Refined carbs spike hunger and slow fat loss. Complex carbs keep you full longer and support fat loss. Excessive cardio can increase hunger and undo progress. Walking burns calories without stress or hunger. Targeting abs alone will not reduce belly fat.
Weight training builds muscle, boosting fat burning 24/7.
Fiber-rich foods naturally reduce hunger and support fat loss.
Seven to 8 hours of quality sleep accelerates fat loss and recovery.